This is the last of our new paper collections, and it's called Illuminate. Wait till you see it.
We're going to illuminate your life with papers, die cuts, dazzles, enamel dots, and more.
Right, so many pretty things. Wait till you see what the design team has done. Come play with us. Well, let me introduce you to Illuminate. So pretty.
It is illuminating. It's like a light, really, coming right out of the center. And
it is.
Expanding. Beautiful.
So we have, from your side,
we have ribbons, we have purple baby blooms and enamel dots.
Right, and we have an embellishment pack that perfectly coordinates because it's made to match. And we have die cuts, 39 die cuts. Wonderful. And 81 Illuminate Dazzles.
So let's start with those papers.
Let's get into the papers. So as you know, there will be ideas on the packaging. We're going to show you some of them, both cards and scrapbook pages and more on the back. What I love, well, this is what I love about this set. Just look at it. It's beautiful. It's got watercolor. It's got blossoms.
And those blossoms are not just any blossoms. Those are succulents. And that's really on trend. I just love that look. So beautiful.
So pretty. And you can see the colors that are going in here, the purples, the blues, the reds, jewel tones all over, my favorite. And this is our first sheet. We also have these that are very watercolory in purple, and there'll be more. So we have another, now this is a border treatment and more in the green tones, but with hints of purple, of course, and blues. Blues and greens. I mean, it's just fabulous. And so many themes you can use for these.
Sure.
This is another, now this is a corner treatment. So we've got a larger corner, we've got
opposite corners,
right, and then we've got
border.
Yeah. And then we have the green, but we're not done because when we flip them over, yes, we have even more. So the blossoms all together, the red tone on tone.
That red.
Pretty? So pretty. The purples and the blues together.
What I love about these sets is that you're going to get 2 sets of each of these, by the way, and so you can isolate one color and sort of work with that if you want to.
If you want to, absolutely. So this is just drop dead gorgeous.
Stunning, and then the ribbons are going to match perfectly. You're getting 12 ribbons, 36 inches of each. You get nice wide crepe, a little bit not so wide crepe, like a 5/8 inch crepe, and that red, the purples, and I love that beautiful, that fun purple dot. And this is great, the sequin velvet. It's even embroidered on there, and the back I think is just as beautiful as the front. You're also getting ginghams. You're getting 1/8 inch wide, 1/4 inch wide, real fun assortment.
Now we're also doing die cuts, and that's new this season. There are 39 here, and in doing these, it gives you we had free downloads that we weren't able to do this season.
Okay.
But what's nice about that is that some people have trouble with cutting or their hands aren't as strong.
Right, that's where die cuts come in.
These
just pop out so simply. Just pop them out. They're ready to go just like that. And you can print on there. You can write on there. You can stamp on there.
Exactly. So very fun. So we'll be showing you that.
And some fun items in that some of these die cuts, the wings will lift like on the butterflies, but they'll stay in place.
Which is very nice on
that's
that one
fun
and
too.
another. Then we have Illuminate Dazzles. There are 81 here in this beautiful gold, and it's fun to see how these are incorporated into the projects.
Right, and that's not a mirror gold. It's just kind of a matte gold, but it's got that nice shiny gold edging on there.
Very
so
pretty.
Beautiful. You're also getting enamel dots.
New for us.
Which match those papers perfectly, and these are self-adhesive. You just peel them off and stick right where you want them to go. They're going along with these baby blooms in purple, and then our perfectly matching embellishment set. I love all of these buttons. Some of them even have shapes in there. I love those shapes. You get sequins. You're getting seed beads, which you can see down here at the bottom. You always where you see the beads and the sequins. And
it's
I love
a gorgeous collection.
I love the different colors in there to match all those papers.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to slip the papers behind you just so you can see how those perfectly match.
matched.
Okay, let's get into projects.
Let's do that.
Now, here is scrapbook page. We've got several
page.
scrapbook page, by the way. And look how beautifully just the dazzles work.
Right, and you've got the corner, what do you call it? The papers where we've got a border on opposite corners, so that really frames this. And then you've got the dazzles just backed on the papers alone. And back them individually and then stack them on top of each other for a gorgeous little bouquet there.
And speaking of framing, I just love how these branches just do such a nice job of kind of hugging the photograph.
I think they get used a lot for that. The branches are perfect for just right alongside something to sort of draw your eye over there just a little bit and illuminate your life. Just gorgeous words for this.
Notice the dragonfly kind of flittering over. We've got some them just lifting up here, but just the bigger one.
So just dazzles and paper. Dazzles and paper, that's all this is, and it's a gorgeous look.
It is. Speaking of dazzles and paper, here is a card. Find joy every day.
Right, so you're just going to back that centerpiece, and you don't have to go around and cut it around, fussy cut around the edges. You can just back that center area. What a beautiful look.
Yeah.
And you know, if you wanted to, you could write your own message in the center there. Sure.
On the inside, leaving it blank so that you can put your own message, pretty with the borders. Very, very nice. Now, this is the same message but done in a different color scheme, and that's what's great about having the dazzles in gold is they're going to go with everything.
I like the fact that now you could just cut a strip and place it on the left here for this, but this one was torn and then the edge was inked, and it's just a nice little addition there.
It's really pretty, really striking.
Oh, and then again
that's nice. Again, another way to have a large area on the inside. Very pretty. Here is another. Now we're incorporating more goodies. And this is the one that you were talking about that you can lift up. There's actually a couple.
Right, so you can just glue down the outer edges and then just let those lift up. Oh, I love the enamel dots right on the center of that butterfly.
Right, those 60 enamel dots will go a long way, as you can see.
And these are some of the die cuts. Just pop them out and add an enamel dot. You're seeing the buttons, the sequins, dream big.
I do like having the sequins, especially around dream big. Don't you think that's appropriate?
Just a little bit of sparkle there.
And look how that, again, those little sprigs just do a nice job underneath and just bringing it. There's also a die cut. Is that what you were going?
Yeah, that nice scroll die cut. This is a nice little collection of putting them all together.
Right. Isn't that pretty?
And that was computer journaled on. Believe in yourself. So you can do that. You can get that printed, or you can hand write that in.
Right. Now, more scrapbooking. Here we go. And this is a couple, Illuminate Your Life, again, with those coming on. I like the big die cut back there. That's different.
That adds some nice focus there. And I love the ribbon used right along the edge here, so you can mat your photo and then you can just glue that in place. And if you run a glue stick along the end of a cut ribbon, it's going to keep it from fraying.
And then we've got some of the blossoms and a collection of the embellishments down there.
So that's nice. Plus, really this tag is one of the die cuts, and you can just hand write on there. Use a permanent marker if you're going to write on the die cuts because they're a little bit glossy.
And again, how those just kind of go along with the art, and when you add the dazzles like that, I love that look.
I love that there are these different border pages within the set of papers, so you've got those opposite corners, or you've got one collection down in one corner. So beautiful looks.
Now we've shown some couples, and again with this watercolor look, it really is going to go for lots and lots of things. But Gail did something I thought pretty wonderful in our Premier scrapbooking kit. Now the Premier members get the papers first, and they get actually 18 sheets. And creating this wonderful look, I want to show both of them.
And again, really focusing on the reds.
I see that.
So like I said, I like to isolate colors from the sets and see what you can do with it. And that was just so, and I like them right next to each other like this. I love that, just red is just sort of flowing across. But you definitely get very masculine with this very easily, even with the dragonflies floating around. So I think that's a fun look.
The other thing I thought was fun is that the dazzle, you hit this with a black StazOn. And it really toned down that gold. And I thought it was really nice.
It is. It's a nice look. It's a little bit of an antiquing effect. Very simple to do with just a cosmetic sponge and just hitting the edge of it with a little bit of StazOn black ink.
And we'll back up just a little bit. There we go. Just to see how those photos are overlapping. And she used two papers, so we'll go back to the double page spread. two papers
Right.
and separated them.
Separated them. The one in the center is one paper, I
Mm-hmm.
think, and so I just cut it apart, and then you've got the opposite ones
Yeah,
out
so
here.
that's a really easy way to do it, but something we never think of.
And it's because those papers are so striking
Yes.
that you can do something like that, and you can get so many different looks
Yes,
with
you can.
these. And in combination with that whole collection, I just like to look at the
So-
papers. They're so pretty.
So do you see why we're so excited about Illuminate? It just is absolutely gorgeous, and we've got so many things to coordinate with it. I think you're going to love it too.
See you next time.